Well, I did better this time around, so I'm happy. It's still not the tightest. I know you're not supposed to put it as tight as, your scalp, because you don't want to accidentally rip your hair out in the process. But look at them buckshot BDBs. Lord have mercy. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you an overall head view of what is going on with this braid pattern. It literally took me 3 hours. 3 hours to do this. Man, when you can't braid, you can't braid. You just got to deal with it. So I'll be back with the finished look. So I figured I'd show you guys the hair that I got. Look at that. I love the bottom. It's super bouncy. So this hair I got at Amazon. Yeah, I already cut the string so I could get started. But I said, oh, let me come on here and show you guys what it looks like. Hold on. I'm going to show you what it actually comes looking like. Hold on. Okay. So when it comes like this, already looped into each other. And there is 24 total. So when you unravel it, it'll look like this, individual strands. But right now, if you could tell what I'm saying, like you see how they bunched them all up. There's probably about 4 twists in each, all rolled up. So you just, untangle it. I think that's to keep the hair nice and wavy or whatever. But I love it. I'll be back. Guys, so I got the hair. I'm ready. I have a loop. And listen, guys, practice makes perfect. So that's what I'm doing. I'm practicing. And I figured while in practicing, I would take you guys along for the ride. So I'm going to try this for the second time because I did a video on this method before. And it's pretty much illusion crochet. So it looks like your hair is individually done, but in actuality, it's not. Listen, the struggle is real, guys. I wanted to take you guys along for the ride. So I put the hook underneath my braid. There's a little hook right there. It's already open. So you go ahead and put that on the hook. Depending on which way you lay the hook is the way the hair is going to lay. So like I said, I'm still a newbie on that. After you pull it through, I don't know how this is going to work because it has loose ends and I don't want it to get caught. Then you're going to go ahead and put the hair at the bottom on the hook as well. And you're going to pull it through. So let's see. You see how it's getting a little ratty right there? It could just be me being a beginner. But that's okay. It's okay to not know what the hell you're doing every now and then. When you do it that way, the knot is on top. If you guys can see. The knot's on top. So that's actually not bad because if you want to pick it up, then you don't have a knot. So I don't know. I'll try the other one underneath and see. So here we go. So underneath your braid, your little box that you made. Oh my God, here we go. Getting caught already. I think I like under just for the sake of not trapping the rest of my hair. All right. So instead of using the hook, I actually use my finger, and this knot actually sits better, but it's a little bit more difficult just because when you're going from underneath, you might accidentally, I don't know if you, I'm trying not to be, okay, there you go. So when you guys go from underneath, you might stick it into the next box. So the choice is yours. I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I'm almost there, but not quite. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So right here, this is the last one. So this is supposed to be the middle of my head, but my scalp is really movable, so it probably still is the middle of my head. So I'm going to connect them here, 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 and here. Now you see you got some spaces where you can see the braid. I'll fill those in. And then I'm going to show you guys the back so you can see what's going on. So I know I've got like big braids. So what I'm going to do to hide this gap and whatever other gap I have is just start crocheting down the actual hair as opposed to the braid. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Oh, right. So I wanted to show you guys also what came with this from Amazon. So the package of hair came with little, hair decorations that you can put on there. I thought that was pretty neat. So it comes with gold and silver. And it's a pretty big box. It's pretty thick. It also came with this crochet needle. We can do the front together. And I'll probably just speed this up. So... So it's not quite the middle of my head, but it works. You have to pull it up. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the back and I'll be back. All right, guys, here is the finished result. I'm proud of myself. I think I did an exceptional job. I tried to fill it in. I really love this hair. This is what it's looking like. Oh yeah. The full just, look at it. I bought 6 packs and I only used 5. And it's super light, like, it's super light, guys. Like, this is great. And look, it is the middle of my head. My scalp is very movable, so I part it, and then when you put some tension on it, it kind of like bunches up to one side. Yeah, that's just my head. All right, guys, so let me know what you think. I love the color. I was so excited I actually put makeup on because I was like, ah, look at it. You can do this, do a little something, something like that. You know what my favorite is? My 2 puff balls. So you know you're gonna have your hair like that. So this definitely concludes the video. I'm sorry I like rambled on. I'm really in love with this hair. I'll leave the links down below. Guys, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yep. Bye.